He is not getting screen not visible. Sorry, sir. Is the screen is visible for everybody, ma? Is the screen is visible for everybody? Please confirm. Okay. So one of the student whose name is A, please re-log in once again, ma. Try to re-log in once again. So that is my advice. Okay. So already it is very easy for you to perform arithmetic operation. What are the arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, star, slash, slash, percentage. We know many arithmetic operators. Okay. To perform arithmetic operations on numpy arrays, to perform arithmetic operations on arrays, numpy arrays, we use the following. We use the following functions. Operators also you can use, no issue at all. We use the following functions. Okay. What are those functions? I will write one by one, and you need not to use these operations. You need not to use these functions. You can use directly operators itself. One is called what? Add function. Second is called what? Subtract function. SUB. Subtract function. This is one. And the next third one is called what? Third one is called multiply. Multiply function. This is called. And the fourth function is called divide. Divide function is there. Divide function is available. Divide. Okay. These are the functions we have. We have some other operations also we can do it. There is no doubt in that. First, let me show you that operations once now. Let us go to that once. Here, okay, let me go to the Python command prompt. I will go for it. Import numpy as np. Today is a very easy class for you. You can understand. Not at all difficult. Create one array. A is equal to np dot array of right 10 20 30 10 20. I will take 2 by 2 matrix because you need to understand easy calculation. Later we can go for it. 30 40. Okay, now 30 40. Keep it into, it is a two-dimensional array. It is a two-dimensional array. A is created. Similarly, you create B also. There I will take 1 2 3 4. This is our matrix. A you print it, B you print it. This is the matrices we have. Same matrices we have. Okay. Order is same. 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay. Then now it is the time to go for another discussion in the class. Now easy you see print of a plus b. You need not to use the function add also. Plus operator. Try to carefully understand. A plus b. What will happen? This a plus b. You are well aware of it. 10 plus 1, and 20 plus 2, and 30 plus 3, and 40 plus 4. Printed. 10 plus 1, and 20 plus 2, 30 plus 3, 40 plus 4. It is called like this. Adding. So one more I will take up. A minus b. What is happening there? A minus b. 10 minus 1, 20 minus 2, 30 minus 3, 40 minus 4. We got it. Next, I will take up A star B. You see that what is happening? A star B. What is happening? You see. What is happening? Yes, ma. A by Satish. A minus B or B minus A. No problem. If you say A, B minus A, negative values will come. No problem. Negative values will come. Okay, na? Multiplication, don't expect 10 into 1, 10. 20 into 2, 20 into 2, 30 into 3. This is called normal multiplication. These elements, A and B elements are multiplied like this. But according to the mathematics multiplication, it's not like that. It's not like that. It is not like multiplying each element of A with other element. Not like that. Okay. So next, let me continue that. So one of the student is asking B minus A. It's not a problem. You can write happily. Negative values are coming. Satish, see your answer. Next, I will write A by B. A by B, I will take it. A slash B. A slash B. Each element is multiplied 10 by 1, 10, 20 by 2, 30 by 3, 40 by 4. And they are not at all difficult. You will get a slash also. I am saying, fractional part, floating point, you will get it. In the beginning days only we discussed, and we got the like this. Next, I am going to say, next, I will go for percentage operator also. You will take percent operator. That is called modulus. Modulus operator will give you compulsory what? 1, 1, 1 tens, 10, 0. 3 tens, 3 3s are 3. Remainder is 0. All of them are remainders are 0 is coming. Right. So now I will write print of A star B. Print of A star B. I will take it. So what is happening? 10 to the power of 1, 20 to the power of 2, 30 to the power of 3, 40 to the power of 4, 40 to the power of 4. Maybe you are getting that point. So maybe you are getting that point. I hope you are getting. Are you getting, ma? Is it understandable? Is there any difficulty in this? Is there any difficulty in this? Nothing is difficult. Nothing is difficult. Very easy. Nothing is difficult. Very easy. Childhood days only. It is childhood days only. Nothing is difficult. That's what. Nothing is difficult. Okay. So these operations, we did all the arithmetic operators applied here. Applied here. Now I'm trying to tell you one more operation. Add function is there. NP dot add function I'm taking. A comma B I'm writing. A comma B. A comma B. See that what is happening? Whatever you done with what? A plus B 11, 22, 33, 44. We got even same thing with what? Add function also same. We will check it out. And what is this now? Subtract of A comma B. NP dot subtract of A comma B. What is happening? You see. Whatever you got with minus 9, 18, 27, 36. 9, 18, 27, 36. Nothing is difficult. Next, I will write multiply. We will see that multiply. So I am giving you the 10, 40, 90, 160. According to, I don't know why they took this decision. According to the matrix multiplication, we learned the matrix multiplication in childhood days. See A star B, 10, 40, 90, 160. 10, 40, 90, 160. So, do you feel is it a correct or wrong, mom? Do you feel is it a correct or wrong? Because all you people are very intelligent. Wrong or right? Wrong or right? According to that's what according to matrices it is wrong. According to matrices it is wrong. According to matrices they are wrong. For math student they will enjoy, but we are all from mathematics background. According to matrices they are wrong. So they are just doing each column, each row of the first matrix is multiplying with another element of this thing. Actually, according to our mathematics, according to the matrices, if you take it, we are going to do differently. That's what. These are not treated as exactly like we are organizing them as matrices, but they are internally taken as what? They are internally taken as lists only. Lists are conducted into ND array. Lists are converted into ND array. So they are multiplying. They are multiplying list elements only, not matrices elements. So that you must carefully enough. Because so as far as this topic is concerned, we supposed to understand the discussion. These are not matrices elements. These are called only list elements. We are going to do the multiplication. So one list element is multiplied with another list element. So don't feel that it is wrong. We are feeling that it is like a matrix. Okay, right. According to actual matrix multiplication, definitely we will feel it as a wrong answer. But according to the list, we will feel yes. See, actually we have to write a coding for that. That is like a normal C programming, C++ programming. How do you write the coding? We need to write the coding like that. Each element of, actually what is that logic? If you want the logic, just one small explanation I will give you. This is one matrix. This is another matrix. This is one matrix. This is another matrix. Just for a logic I am giving. You can do that. There is no doubt in that. So try to apply this and try to do this. You try to do this. As a case study you take and then try to do it. Not a case study, homework you take it. This is what I am doing here. You take the element as 1. You take the element as 2. You take the element as 2. You take the element as 3. You take the element as 4. Now you take the element as 5. You take the element as 6. You take the element as 6. You take the element as 7. You take the element as 4 or whatever it is, 8. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. This is called 2 by 2. 2 by 2. This is called a 2 by 2. 2 by 2 matrix. Now see here, to do the matrix multiplication, this is called A matrix. A is equal to, this is called B matrix. B is equal to. How you do it, I don't know. You try to do it after the session is over. So this is a 0th column. Let me give the column rows also here, 0, 1, and this is called 0, and this is called 1. And here, let me give same way, 0, and this is called 1. And here it is called 0, and this is called 1. Fine. Now I want to go for processing this logics. What is the matrix multiplication condition? Matrix multiplication condition is matrix multiplication condition is matrix multiplication condition. Matrix multiplication condition is number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Condition is equal to number of columns in first matrix. 1 minute. Must be equal to number of rows in second matrix. You must take care about this matrix. That is nothing but in general you can take. If it is m by n matrix, m rows and m columns, m by n matrix, here it is what? P by Q matrix. You can compare n and q must be same. N and q must have the same dimension. Number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Number of columns in first matrix must be equal to that. How do you do? A into B. Actually, how do you do? See that you already know that. Just I am writing it. What is that? First element, 0th element. A of 0, 0, 1. A of 0, 0 multiplied with, just for a minute, 1 minute. See that this 1 will be multiplied with 5, will be multiplied with 7. Next, this 2 will be multiplied with 5 and 2 will be multiplied with 7. That is each row of first matrix multiplied with each column of first matrix. Each row of first matrix multiplied with each column of the second matrix. each row of the first matrix multiplied with each column of the first matrix. Each row of the first matrix multiplied with each column of the second matrix. I hope. Now tell me, I will write directly here. Tell me, start. Here I will write like this. Start ma. Come on, one. What is that? 1 into. Yes, please. 1 into. 1 into. Come on. 1 into. I will write 1 into. Mathematics symbol I am using. 1 into. What is that? 5. 1 into 5 plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Okay, in place of that, I will write with the keyboard. I will write it with the keyboard. I will write it, but I will write with the keyboard. 1 into 5, 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7, because this you are trying to implement 2 into 7. Next, what are you doing? Plus 1 into 7 multiplied with that thing. Next, what are you doing? Next position you need to go for it. What is the next? 1 into 6, 1 into 6 plus, what is that? 2 into 8. 2 into 8. Yes, that is 1. Next, what you will do? Coming to the next part. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 plus 4 into 7. 4 into 7. Next, another part is what? 3 into 6. 3 into 6 plus what? 4 into what? 8. 4 into 8. 4 into 8. Now, you do it. That is equal to 1 into 5 plus 2 into 7. 5 plus 14. 5 plus 14. How much? 19. 19. Next is called how much? 6 plus 16. 22. 22. Next is called 15 plus 28. 15 plus 28. How much? 15 plus 28. Okay, 43. Okay, very next 43. 36. 18 plus 32. 18 plus 32. 50. 50. Yes, this is called a matrix. This is a multiplied matrix we are getting. This is an actual multiplication. This is an actual multiplication. So be careful about this, an actual process of it. So why we got that type? Actually, as a mathematics student, don't feel that it is wrong answer. It is a values are multiplied, list elements are multiplied. I hope that these are the matrix arithmetic operations. We can do these operations with plus, minus, divide, all these things as done. So these are very, very simple, not a difficult at all. Just I want to write it. I want to write it. I can write these functions are used for one line answer. I will write it because these are very easy. These functions are used for performing all arithmetic operations. I already wrote. Now I will write syntax. I will write a syntax. What are the syntax? Syntaxes I will write here. Tell me, what are the syntax, ma? np dot add of array 1 comma arr ay array 1 comma array 2. Next I will take one more here, array 1 array 2. Next is called what? Subtract. I will write subtract array 1 comma array 2. Next I will write np dot I will write np dot multiply, and it is very easy today's class, not at all a difficult. np dot I am writing here, np dot I am taking divide I am taking np dot divide. So there I am taking np dot divide. So how to take that divide of this? In place of doing that, in place of doing these operations, we can use what? Instead of these functions, we can also use. I am writing one note. Instead of using these operations, instead of using these functions, we can also use we can also use all arithmetic operators, all arithmetic operators of Python, all arithmetic operators of Python, all arithmetic operators of Python. So we know what are the arithmetic operators are there for us. All of them we can use it. So dear students, I will take care about that kind of copy process. I will take care. These are my examples which I did with these things also. I used it. So here I'll just paste it. These things. What that I am using arithmetic operators plus we used plus operator, minus operator, star operator, and then minus operator, a/b, a/b, percentage, a power of it. Later I started with add of, subtract of, multiply of. Div also I can write. Div also if you want I can write. Divide also I can write it. Divide of this AB. So you'll be getting the same answer. So we are going to get this operation also. I will take it. So it is not at all a difficult, which is easy for us to understand. So any difficult, guys? Any difficult? No, sir. Very easy. Now see here. One more thing I just want to go for. Look at that. One more thing I want to go for it. Look at. Take rebuild one array. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. You take here 30. You take 40, 50, 60. Yeah, these are the elements. Suppose I will take B is equal to, I will take one more array. I will take it. What is my array here? B. I will take here only one dimension. I will take one dimension. That is nothing but 2, 5, something like 6 I am taking. 2, 5, 6 I am taking. 2, 5, 6. This is A and B. B also I will write it. This is my array. So this is called one list. Multiple lists are there. This is called one thing. So two dimensions are there. A dot ndim, A dot ndim, B dot ndim, A dot ndim, and B dot 1dim. Generally, people will feel that operations on this addition, subtraction, multiplication, people will feel that problem. But with broadcasting concept, that is known as broadcasting, we call it this type of meaning is called broadcasting. So dimension is 1 and dimension is 2. We want to do the operation. So see here also, print of A plus B. What is happening? Possible or not possible? Tell me. Possible or not possible? Come on, fast. So all of them will feel that not possible. Okay, one or two students are saying not possible, sir. It is possible. See that now? It is possible. How? Each element of this one is adding with that. 10 plus 2, 20 plus 5, 30 plus 6, 40 plus 2, and 50 plus 50 plus etc. Nothing is there, ma. Here we have two dimensions. Now this also will be prepared two dimensions with the same elements only they are taking. Which elements they are taking? 2, 5, 6, they are taking 2, 5, 6 only. That process is known as broadcasting. Dim, dimension, ma. Raja, try to understand, ma. B dot ndim, Raja, this is called a dimension. It is called one dimension only. Rows and this is not rows, not columns. It is called one dimension. Already we discussed previously only. So it is each element of this 2D is adding with that. How it is done? These 2, 5, 6 are taken once again 2, 5, 6. As it is internally converting 2, 5, 6 is made as 2, 5, 6 once again with B1. I hope you are getting it. What is that process is called? Broadcasting. They put some new name called broadcasting. Are you okay? Is it understandable? What guys, all of you? So don't feel it is a difficult. It is a dead easy. Yes. Next, I will write a minus b also. A minus b, what will happen? Each element of a minus b subtracted with this element. Subtracted with this element. See, 10 minus 2, 20 minus 5, 30 minus 6, 40 minus 2, 50 minus 5, 60 minus 6. Got this elements. A minus b. Next, I will do what? A star b. Happy. Multiplying. All the elements of this is multiplied with 2 by 6. It is not at all a difficult class. Very, very dead easy. Next, I will do A by B. A slash B. Happy. What is that? 10 by 2. 20 by 5. Check the answer. 30 by 6. 40 by 2. 50 by 5. 60 by 6. Happy. Now, A double slash B. A double slash B. Integer coefficient. Integer coefficient. This is called float coefficient. Integer coefficient. Now you say percentage. Percentage. Modulus operator you apply. Modulus operator. 0, 0, 0. Because remainder is compulsory 0. Next, print of A star star B. A star star B. Happy. A star star B. Happy. We are going to get this type of data. We are going to get this type of data. So, 10 to the power of 60 is to the power of 6. All different type of elements are coming. So, why this element is minus is coming? Why this element minus is coming? So, is it going to be the same? So, we need to have some doubt about the star operator. Why this? Okay, 1 minute. Print off. Okay. So, what is it internally? What it is doing? So, minus operator it is coming. So, generally, star star B. Generally, it should not be given minus. Let me check once. Not possible, huh? Not like that, Sangam. It is giving other elements, na. Other elements are coming, na. Not like that. 10 square, it is coming. 60 to the power of 6. 60 to the power of 6. 60 into 60 into 60. We will check here, ma. 60 to the power of 6. Star star 6, we will do it. 60 to the power of 6. It is supposed to give that only. It is supposed to give that only. So I hope that 10 to the power of 2, it is 30, 40, 50, 60 to the power of 6. We are getting the result here like this. And it is supposed to come here. But we are not getting that. So I will check once, ma. Let me know later. I did not expect this result, which is going to come. Not like that. Bruce Lee, not like that. So 60 to the power of, no, Python is a dynamically typed programming language. It is not like that. It is not like that. Okay, we will see that kind of thing. Let me check once, then I will, because it is giving 60 to the power of 6 is supposed to get like this. But it is why it is coming, we will check it out. Now, one more thing, these are the operators what we did. So the way of doing different dimensions, we are able to do all arithmetic operators. So the star operator, we keep it aside. Star operator, we keep it aside. This is another examples what we are performing. With the different dimensions, how to do it, we are able to do this kind of things. So except this slash slash, this part you keep it. Other things is having this different dimensions also. These are all called what? Broadcasting kind of example. This is comes under broadcasting kind of example. Arithmetic operations, these are purely arithmetic operations. This is comes under broadcasting kind of example. So I am writing examples, arithmetic operations with different dimensions. Different dimensions. With the different dimensions. So in the bracket, I will write it. This what that type of process is known as what? Broadcasting. So generally, broadcasting. So we have different dimensions here, and we are getting the type of. Regarding that, I will verify that, and I will let me know that. let me know that possibility, why that result is coming. I will check it out once, ma. Yeah, that's what, ma. That's what. Even I checked here, 60 to the power of 6 is supposed to give like this. Why this result is coming, I will check it out once. I will check it out once, ma. Don't worry. Right now, don't worry. Fine. So I hope that you are understanding about this logics. Even you can perform, even you can perform the other kind of logics. The other kind of logics means what? np dot add function, you can take it a plus b np dot a plus b. This is invalid number of arguments which is not performing with this. Next is what? A minus b, subtract, you say. These functions are not able to do. See that it is giving the invalid number of arguments. See, np dot subtract, invalid number of arguments. Next, you multiply. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Comma. Yeah. So, okay, comma is supposed to be given. np dot add. np dot syntax mistake. np dot sub a comma b. Next is called multiply. I will go for multiply. Next, it is going to be divide. So even they did not give anything as a part of this. Maybe divide of this result is coming. So this is on this part also we can apply these functions. They did not give any kind of other functions here. We can use these operations also, functional level operations also we can apply. So functions also we can apply on this area. I hope that you people are getting clarity on arithmetic operations. Are you okay, students? Is it easy? Nothing is there. Even in our school days also we learned the same. Even in our school days also we learned. Fine? Huh? Right. Now let us move forward. About next another important part I want to discuss, which is known as what statistical functions. I want to discuss NumPy statistical functions. Have you studied statistical functions in our school days? Let us look at that. Statistical functions, NumPy statistical functions, statistical operations or statistical functions. Have you studied NumPy statistical functions? I want to go for it. What are the statistical functions? No, VO, that is called the mathematical functions. VO, that are called mathematical functions. Statistical functions I am talking. So, statistical functions are, maybe you are aware of it. Example, mean. Have you heard about mean? Mean. Have you heard about mean? Yes. So we, in our childhood days, we used to do mean. Yes. Median. This is called one more. This is called median. Is one more. Next is what we used to deal with variance. We used to do it. Variance. This is called another type of operation. Mean operation, to do median operation, to do variance operation. Mode operation is also there. Mode operation is also there. Right. Next is called variance, and next is called what? Standard deviation. These are all called different type of statistical functions. As far as this NumPy is concerned, these are all. Yes, ma'am. Just we will forget generally. We will forget that we need to recapitulate once so that you can get on time perfection in once again. So these functions we need, but as a part of this class, we need to know little calculation also. We need to know. So let us start with how the mean operation can be done. Right. Yes, ma'am. Bruce Lee. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Yeah. Some formula is there. That's why we will go for discussing about this. Some of the essential statistical functions are like this. So I'm writing So in our analysis level, in our analytics level, in our analysis level, there is a chance of applying mean function, median function, variance function, standard deviation. These operations are required. Whenever they are coming, we need to apply this type of functions without doing any logic on our own. So that's why we are going to apply this kind of things. Let us start with what exactly mean and mode and then variance and standard deviation is. So I will try to give you some example and we will try to apply. Along with that, we are going to find some maximum value. Maximum value we want to find. Some minimum value you want to find, like that. Average you want to find, like that you can apply. Average you can find, like that we are going to discuss. Yes, ma. Average you want to find. Average. Average you want to find. Like that, so many number of things are there. The main important things are these important things are. These are the very important things you will come across. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. That is all comes under what? Different type of statistical functions. These main things. So in the statistics, there are so many functions. If you ask me, open any statistics books of our engineering, see how many formulas are there. But what are the very frequently every day you will use? These three things. These three things. All those things. So we need not to worry about it. These things you be perfect enough. Enough. So unnecessary things. So not necessary. So we will go for these things we will discuss. So I'm writing. What is the mean and all these things we will start. Can you start this mean, median, and shall we talk some small example? We'll take a paintbrush. Can I explain some small mathematics example for this mean, median, variance, standard deviation? Or if you know already, do you know already about this? Do you know, ma? Yeah, Arindam, you know. Okay, very good. Yeah, if you know, it's I will directly go to the function. Okay, explain, huh? Okay, I will explain. Okay, Sir will anything Sir will explain, you will listen that. Okay, very nice. So anything Sir will explain, you will listen. Yeah, no problem. Look at ma. Look at once. So I'm having one matrix. I will take one matrix. 3 by 3 matrix, I will take it. 3 by 3 matrix, I will take it. Ma. So you also try to help me in calculating quickly. You also calculate quickly and then I will tell you the procedure. You calculate and tell me so that we will move forward. Okay, this is my matrix. I will prepare with a ND array. So let us take 10, 20, 20 and 30. 30 I will take. Next I will take one more I will take it. 2, next 3, I will take 4. For example. Then next I will take, so maybe bigger values I feel 5, 6, and 7. 7 this is. Because I don't want to go for a very bigger value because it takes some calculation more time. So instead of that, in the program I will use it. Here I will use some small values I will use it. So better I will go for 1, 2 and then 3. I will go for 3. Okay now? Fine. So let us, Raja, in the program we will go for it. So we will take some small values. Okay. Now I want to go for, I will apply mean. How do you apply mean? NP dot. Assume that this is called A. ND array. NP dot mean. What is the mean? Mean of A. I will write A. So you will get the answer. How this answer is coming actually? The procedure is mean is nothing but sum of the elements divided by all the number of elements. So what is the answer is coming? I just want to see. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Arindam. So see that ma. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus what? 5 plus 6 plus 7. 7 by total number of elements. How many number of elements are there? 9. 9 is equal to, how much is the value? Tell me. So 33, huh? Okay. 33 is an answer. 33 is an answer. So 33 is the answer. We will check. We will check immediately. We will check immediately that time. So let us go to the. Let us go. Okay. Let us go to your place. Yes. So I will take one array, ma. I will take one array. I will rebuild my array. I will rebuild my array. What is this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I hope it is called what? 2, comma 3, comma 4. Right? 2, comma 3, comma 4 na? 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma. What is this? 5, comma 6, comma 7. 6, comma 7. I will close one more. Yeah, this is called like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. NP dot mean of A. Mean of A. So it is going to be coming. It is going to be coming. What is that? Sum of all elements divided by number of elements. So number of elements. 33 by what? I wrote it totally. 33 by 9. 33 by 9, how much, ma? So I asked the result. 33 by 9. 33 by 9. Is it okay? 33 by 9. So it is going to be 3.66. Okay, 3.6666 like that. So we hope that this is the value we got. Are you understanding? Is it first one is clear? Right. Dear students, one more thing we will go for it. It is a mean is done. What is this? 1 minute you wait, ma. 1 minute if you wait, I will just take a small point I want to say. Small point I want to tell you. A very small point I want to tell you. Yes, 1 minute. I will just want to take some positions. I want to take some positions. 1 minute you wait. I will close this bracket. Very close to this bracket I will take, which is nothing but average also. In other words, it is nothing but average only. It is nothing but average only. But in varieties of averages are there, that is not necessary to bother about this stage. So A is equal to. What are the positions here you take? Positions I am taking 0. Next is called 1. 1, this is 1. And this is called 2. This is called 2. 2. This is called 0. And next is called 1. And next is called 2. Right. This is giving the overall mean. Overall mean it is giving. Overall mean of my entire two-dimensional array. Now, next I want to go for mean. NP dot, look at ma. NP dot mean of A comma. So there is one 0 I am using. 0. 0 indicates it's an axis. We call it the first time I am using the word called axis is equal to 0. 0 represents columns. 0 represents columns. Here I will write NP dot mean of A comma axis is equal to 1. 1 represents row mean. Each row mean. 0 represents each column. 0 means what? You try to understand this part. This part I am going to talk. This part. Mean means this part. This part. Mean. So column mean I want to find out. One more column mean I want to find out. This 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 mean I want to find out. Are you able to follow? Axis 1 means what? This row mean I want to find out. Row mean. Next what? Another all the rows meaning will come. Axis based on the axis, the mean will come. I hope you are following me. Yes, ma. These people I told so many times. Vinay Royal. He is sitting under the tree and then under the sky he is sitting. Under the sky he is sitting, ma. So he is enjoying the nature. Vinay Royal, he is sitting under the tree, and by seeing that he is enjoying the nature. you understanding this axis 0, axis 1 and all? Are you understanding this axis 0 and axis this thing? So you will get the result as what? Can anybody can say the result? Can anybody can say the result? 1 plus 2 plus 5. Maybe Newton or something, you want to develop something, I don't know. Somehow you went outside. Tell me. 1 plus 2 plus 5. What is that now? 8. 8 by how much? 8 by 3. How much, ma? 8 by 3. Calculate with your calculator. You have with the mobile now. Immediately tell me. 8 by 3. 8 by 3. 4 will come. Ravi Kishore. 2.66 will come. So some people are saying 2.66, comma. Okay, that is for one column. That is for one column. Please be careful, ma. Second column, 2 plus 3 plus 6. Quickly, 2 plus 3 plus 6. Make it quickly, ma. It is called what? 6. 2 plus 3 plus 6 by 3. 3 rows on, 3 columns only. It is called what? 3.66. Okay, good. 3.66. 3.66. Come on, next is what? 3 plus 4 plus 7. It is called what? 7 plus 7. It is called 7 plus 7. 14. 14 by 3. 14 by 3. How much? 4.66. Okay, good. 4.66. This is one thing. Right? This is the result. Now you tell me, axis is equal to 1 means what? Axis is equal to 1 means what? Axis 1 represents row. Are you following me? 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is 6. 6 by 3. 6 by 3. What it is called? 2.0. Comma. Next. 2 plus 3 plus 4. This part. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 9. 9 by 3. 3.0. 3.0. Next. Comma. 5 plus 6 plus 7. 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5. 18 by 3. How much? 6.0. 6.0. Shall we apply? Shall we see the result? Shall we see the result? Yes, sir. Shall we see the result? Yeah, coming to the point of it. Mean A is equal to, you can happily specify, comma 0 you can specify happily. You can specify 0 happily. You see that? What is the result we got? 2.66, 3.66, 4.66. 0 only written. I will write 1 now. 1 means what? 2.3.6. You can write happily this also like this. Axis. Axis is equal to 0. Then same answer. Axis is equal to 1. Also same. It is nothing but keyword arguments only. Keyword arguments. Our Python. Keyword arguments only. Yeah. Simple. Not a difficult at all. So we got the statistical functions. Are you understanding about the mean? Are you understanding about the mean, guys? Yes. Shall I go to the mode? Shall we go to the mode, ma? Yes. Mode, I will take it. Mode. np dot mode of A. np dot mode of A. Mode of A. Sir, what is this mode says? Not mode, ma. Median. Median. First, I want to talk about the median. Median, ma. Mode, no? Median. Arindam. Not mode. Median. Median is nothing but first sort all the elements. And take the center element. Example. If I take this example, if I sort these elements, how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3, and 2, and 3, and 4. Next is what? 5, next 6, 7. These are the elements. Right? 1, 2, 3, and say 3, and then like this we have 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. These are the data what we have. How many elements are there? Total 9 are there. 9. What is the middle element here? What is the middle element here? This is the middle element. This is a middle element. Suppose you are having some elements like odd number of elements. This is odd number. Suppose even numbers are there: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Some example like this. What is the middle element here? What is the middle element here? Middle elements. Yes, ma. Middle elements are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 elements this side, 4 elements this side. See one thing. These are 1 minute here. These 4 and these 4. And then 5 and 60. 5 and 60 is called what? 5 and 60. What? Arindam. Right? Arindam. So it is going to be called as what? Arindam. Is it okay, ma? Oh, the statistics people should answer my question. The statistics people should answer this. 55. Arindam. Arindam got stuck. Okay. So it is going to be 55 plus 6, 50 plus 60 by 2, or just 55 60. 50 plus 60 by 2. Are you sure? Are you sure, ma? Yes. Fine. Okay. So 50 plus 60 by 2, if you take it like that. So this is a mean median kind of things which is going to come. So median of, if I write A, median of, if I write what? A, it is going to give you the element. Here the output will come here as 3 will come. 3 will come. So here I am going to write A dot median. I am writing median. I am writing median. Just only you write A. Just you write only A. So what is the median here? 3.0 will come. Here you can write a median of A, comma, axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. See the axis ma once 0. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. What is the median of axis? First axis 0. 2. Next axis 3. Next axis 4. So automatically they are in sorted order only. So come on to the apply this, that I got it. 2, 3, 4 only. 2, 3, 4 only. Now you got axis 1, you take it. 1 you take it. 1. Tell me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. Next 2, 3, 4. 3. 5, 6, 7. 6. So you say that 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. I hope you are following. Are you okay, guys? Ravi Kishore, 2, 3, 4, no, 2, 3, 6. Right, ma? Shall I move forward? Next, go to the next property is called variance. Variance, I want to go for variance. NP dot VAR, variance of A. Of A. What is this variance says? What is this variance says, you know? You need to understand this variance. I am going to give the formula. Output anyhow you will write, and I am writing the formula here. What that formula is? Mean minus mean of A, mean of A. Be careful, ma. Minus mean of A minus x. X means what? Each element of the matrix. Each element of array. Each element of array. Each element of array. Each element of array. Mean of A minus each element of array. We need to compute. I hope you are understanding what I am talking in the class. Can you follow me? Are you understanding me? Can we start? Start. What is my mean? Come on quickly. If any changes are there, we will check it out. What is the mean? What is the mean? I got it here, you see. Here we got 3.66 minus 3.66 minus, what are our values, ma? What are our values? 3.66 minus 1, 3.66 minus 2, plus you need to do it. 3.66 minus, and you need to do whole square also, ma. 1 minute, ma, 1 minute. I will write whole square, this is. Whole square, this is. Whole square. This is whole square, you need to do it. It's a mathematical formula. So you need to do whole square. This is called 2, power of 2. You need to do power of 2. Power of 2. How do you write? 3.66. Just for a minute I will initiate. You can continue. 3.66 minus 1 to the power of 2. To the power of 2. Plus. What is that? 2 minus or 3.66 minus 2 to the power of 2. On the top of it, I will go on writing 2. 2 I will write it. 2 I will write it. Like this, we have to continue for all the things. Can you do this? Are you understanding the procedure first of all? Square mass square. Are you understanding the procedure first of all? Yes. So I hope that if you do that, you will get the variance. You will get the variance. You will get the variance. If you take any smaller, if you take any smaller value, you will easily calculate that. So in the homework part, you take one smaller element instead of 3.666 like that. If you take any fractional number which is coming, you can easily do this process. You can easily do this process. I hope you are following. I think so. Are you okay, ma? Shall I apply this directly? Shall I apply all of you? Yes. Now I will go for NP dot variance VAR is equal to, I will just take like this. See that you are getting 3.5555 you are getting. Okay. If possible, we will do like this, comma, axis is equal to 0 we will do. At least we will apply here. And we will see this formula, whether what is that. Now you tell me, for this you tell me, mean of 125. What is the mean of 125? 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3. 8. 8 by 3 is what? We got some number, 2.6. Again we got the fraction. 2 plus 3 plus 6. What is the fraction here? 6 plus 6 by 3. Again 3.6. 4.66 we got it. That is called what? Again the variance we can find here. So that variance is 2.88, 2.88, 2.88 we got it. Variance. Next you apply this part you see. Now you can get it, I think so. This part. Variance of 1 you write it. Now take it. 1 plus 2 plus 3. How much? At least a variance of this part we can say. 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is the mean? What is the mean of A, comma, axis is equal to 1. Axis is equal to 1. What is the answer is coming, ma? First one, 2.0. 1 plus 2, 3 by 3. 3 plus 3, 2.0 is coming. Okay, very good. Now I will come across 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Variance. Here only I will do variance of A, comma, axis is equal to 1, which is going to give the result as, tell me, here I will go for it, 2 minus Aruna, Almanda, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 whole square, I will write whole square, ma, 1 minute, whole square here you need to write, plus I need to write what, 2 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 2 whole square plus what is next? 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 whole square. Okay. Is equal to, what is that now? Is equal to, what is that answer? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to what? Just 1 minute, I will check it out. Maybe it is number of values or something, we will see. 0.66, yeah, this is whole by number of elements. Number of elements. What is the number of elements here? 3. 3 we need to take. Here also, whole by number of elements. The formula you take it as number of elements. Here also we need to take it as number of elements. Number of elements. Number of elements in array. In the case of original formula, this is original formula. Statistical formulas, these are 3 by 3. This is called 3. This is called 3. 3, which is equal to what? 2 by 6 is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means how much? 2 by 6. 2 by 3, I mean to say. What is the result? Is equal to 0.66. Am I correct? 0.66 are correct? Yes. So this is called 0.66. First one is called 0.66. Similarly, you can apply like that. We need to go for 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 9. 9. 9. 9 minus 2. 9 3. I got 3. 3 minus 2. 1. 1. 1 square means 1 only. 3 minus 3. It is called what? 0. 3 minus 4. 1. 1 square. 1 plus 1. 1 by 2. Same. Other thing also coming what? Other answer is also what? Yes, guys. Are you there? Other answer is also what? Other answer 0.66 only. Third answer also what? 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 11 plus 7, 18. 18 by 3, 3. 18, 3. 3. Now 3 minus 2. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 7, 7, 18. 18 by 3, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 7, 1. 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3, same. 0.66. I hope you are understanding. So 0.66, 0.66, 0.66. Are you okay, students? Are you getting my point or getting difficulty? No, not bouncing. Ganesh, is it bouncing, ma? Is it bouncing? Is it bouncing to anybody? Not bouncing. Okay. Some of the students are asking, okay. Some of the students are asking, explain 1 minute. One time I will explain. See, ma, if I want to find the mean of it, how do you find the mean of it? How do you find the variance of it? Variance of any matrix is equal to mean of the matrix minus each element of the matrix. Each element of the matrix. Because some of the students, they are saying, sir, please explain once. For them, just for a minute. Just for a minute. 2, because all of our students, that's why. 2, 6, 8. 8 plus 4. That is called what? That is called what? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus, I will take it as 8. 8. How much is that? How much is that? I will explain to them. Those who did not follow, I will explain because it is important. Now I want to find out the mean for this. I want to find the mean variance for this. First you find out the mean. What is the mean here? Mean of A. What is the mean of A, please? 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8. 20. By what? How many? 4. How much here? which is equal to, those who did not understand, last and final chance. Last chance for supplementary to pass. After that, denying the examination to conduct. 4 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. Okay, mean got it. Mean is equal to 5. Got it. Fine. Variance I am saying. Variance of A is equal to mean of A, mean of A. First see the formula. Minus each element of array. Each element of array. Whole square. I will write whole square. Whole square I will write it. Whole square. Because this drawing itself will take lot of time. Whole square to the power of 2 by total number of elements. Total number of elements in array. Total number of elements in array. Okay. Total number of elements in array. Okay. Right. Then apply. Variance of A. Variance of A is equal to, answer will come, then start. What is the answer? Mean of A how much? 5. 5 minus, see all of you, 5 minus, those who did not understand. Each element of A, first 2. 2 square. Square I will write it. Wait. Square I will write, ma. Next, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Plus, what is next? Plus 4 minus 5. Or 1 minute, ma. In the same order I will write it. 5 minus 6. 6 plus 5 minus 4 plus what I will write? 5 minus 8. 8. Let me write square. Let me write square. Square. Fine. What is the result here? Is equal to 1 what is that, ma? Answer is to the power of that will be there. I will write 9 also. How many elements are there? Ma? 4. 4. Yeah. Let us start. Five minus 8, 3. That is another 3 square. 9. 9. Am I correct? Students? 5 minus 3, 9. 5 minus 6, right? Done. By 4. By 4 is equal to, how much it is? 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 2. That is called what? 20. 20 by 4. That is called 5. It is equal to 5. Answer is 5. Right? Is all students are okay? 2648. I want to go for it. Just for A is equal to or B is equal to NP dot array of I will take what, ma? 2 4. What is that? What is that answer, ma? So 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 minute. Not that. This 2648. 2648. 2 comma 6 comma 4 comma 8. 4 comma 8. Okay. B. It is like this. Mean of NP dot mean of A. So I got okay, sorry, not mean B, ma. B. Yeah, B. Got it. 5.0. Yeah, this part please don't worry. I just by mistake I typed A. B. our B, our B. Okay. Otherwise, with my own hands, I don't want to confuse you. Yeah. Again. So coming to the this part. B, I want to show you. B. Yes. Now I want to go for mean of B. Mean of B, 5. NP dot variance of B. Variance of B. So you are getting 5.0. Are you okay? So are you okay with this? Is it understandable? And don't think that mean and variance is same answer. Don't think like that. Those who did not understand little bouncing, what is that small bouncing, and it is beyond the batting. Is it understandable? Is on the bat? Is it on the bat or not? Okay, very good. Very good, students. Now, these are the statistical functions. So, statistical functions. Now, what is the STD? STD, standard deviation. Perfectly played. Okay, very good. Standard deviation. I will apply the standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. Square root of variance. Standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. STD. Here only I will write STD. Standard deviation of A. It is nothing but what? SQRT of what? Variance. SQRT of variance. What is our SQRT of variance? Bhanachandra is there. Bhanachandra, some student, he is listening the class in his own dressing. So I don't want to comment about his dressing. Some student. Okay, let it be. SQRT of VAR. What is that, ma? STD of A. Answer is what? Square. Bruce Lee. That is what I am saying, ma. Actually, we should be professionals. We should be professionals. HK, Hemnath Kumar, HK, square root of 5 is 25. Huh? SQRT of 20, SQRT of 5. What is the variance here, ma? What is the SQRT of 5? What is the answer? NP dot N. Okay, that is okay, ma, no problem, because I am writing here STD of A, square root of variance. So 5 square root, how much, ma? I told square root program how to do it. Even in our class also we can do. Star 0.5, 0.5, which will give you the result. So go for that. I will apply on our simple mathematics calculation only. NP dot STD of what? STD of what? I can say this result. Variance. I will write NP dot variance of B. See, NP dot variance 5.0, which is going to be what? This part is coming. So this is going to be what is that? Of A. I will write, not that part. A. So you will be getting this entire thing. So 5.0 star 2 star 2 5.0 like this. So you are getting not this thing, SQRT 0.5. So this is the one. So variance is coming. Variance square root of SQRT of variance. Square root of variance. Square root of variance 5 minus. Is the formula, ma? STD. Anybody knows variance? Anybody knows square root or standard deviation? Last line is okay. That I'm talking about this answer, we got it. This answer, we got it. So answer is correct. Answer is correct. I'm talking about its result I'm talking about. Yeah, B1. Okay. STD of A. Okay. STD of A we calculated XSS perfectly. So STD of B. STD of B. Correct. That only. Yes, ma'am. Milan. Yeah. We calculated here for what? I thought it is here. It's correct. So our formula is correct. 0.5.0 into this, we got a correct answer. This only. Are you understanding this perfectly? All of you got it or not? Fine. So I hope you people enjoyed the statistical functions. You people enjoyed the statistical functions. So I'm writing. The most essential statistical functions are statistical functions are number one max. A max we can call. That is very simple. I will apply that also. A min, that is called A min. So this average, leave it. This mean mean only. Then fourth is called what? Median. So fifth is called what? Variance. Sixth is called what? Standard deviation. What are the A max and A min? You just take one example. You just see once B. A max, see once NP dot A max of B. NP dot A max of B, I am saying. It will give you the highest element. What is the highest element, guys? Can you tell me? What is the highest element? 8. Not at all a difficult there. NP dot min. It's also useful. What is the min element? 2. NP dot B, comma, axis is equal to 0. Axis. Column wise minimum elements. 2 answers will come. One is 2, one more is 6. 2 in this column, 2 is the minimum. In this column, what is the minimum? 6. What is the answer is coming? 2. Two things will come. See that 2 6 will come. Axis is equal to 1. Row wise minimum. What is the row wise minimum? 2 4 will come. I hope you understood the A minimum, A max. Are you understanding? So these are dead easy, not at all a difficult. So I will write one by one. A max, I will write A max. I will directly write and A min. At one time only I will write it. A min. I will write these functions are used for finding max and min from given array. Syntax I will give you. What is the syntax here? NP dot max A max of A. NP dot A min of array. I will write array actually. Array. This is also array. So I will give you these things also. One more way I can give you the same thing. I can write here a array, comma, axis is equal to 0. Here 0 represents what? Columns. Next, axis is equal to 1. What it represents? Here 1 represents what? Rows. 1 represents rows. Are you able to follow? Rows. Now if you want that example part, I can give you just for a minute. I will rebuild my application. Rebuilding my application. I will apply this part here. A max A max, this is just now applied, A max and S axis like this. These things I will take it. This thing I will take it as an example. These things I will take it as an example. Here I am writing examples. Yes, these are the examples. So I am pasting here. Okay, this is called A max and A mean. Are you understanding, guys? Is it okay? Right. Next, mean. So second one I'm going to talk about. Second one, mean. So I will write it directly. Mean used to find. Used to find. This function is used for finding mean of the given array. Given array. What is the mean? What is the meaning of mean? Sum of all the elements by number of elements. Because you have seen already this type of calculation also here. Right? So come on to the point back. Here I will write it. I will rebuild my matrix. I will rebuild my matrix once again. Yes. I will apply np dot mean. np dot mean of A. B, sorry. B. Right? np dot B, comma, axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. np dot mean of axis of this. We got this. So example part also I will take. Example part also I will take. Here I will take the example part. It's an example part. In this case, syntax I will write it. Syntax. What is the syntax here? What is the syntax here? np dot mean of array. Array. Yes. One more syntax is what? Another syntax is what? np dot mean of yes, comma, axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 0. Another one is called what? Axis is equal to 1. That is another part. I hope you are finding. Okay. Similarly, I will go for next is called what? Third one. Median. Median. Yes. Used for finding. Same wording. Median related operations I told you guys. Median. I'm saying used for finding median of given array. How do you apply that? Apply this. A B dot. I will rebuild my matrix. I will rebuild my matrix. I will say median of B. So you can happily find that 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers. So what is that? 6 plus 4, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. Even numbers, center elements, 4 and 6. 10 by 2, center elements. Got it. np dot median axis is equal to 0. Two things will come. That is called what? 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2, 6, 4, 8. Axis. So 2 and 4 odd even numbers. 2 plus 4, 6 by 2, 3. 6, 8. 6, 8 even numbers. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 by 2, 7. 1 rows. 2 and 4. 6, 6 by 2. 2, 6, sorry. 2, 6, 2, 6 rows. 8, 8 by 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 by 2, it is called a 6. So, we got this. So, coming to this point, examples. Now, syntax you see, syntax also we will get it. So, np dot mean, this is called median. So, array. So, I will take here median. Median. Yes, this is the thing. Next, last, we are going for what is that, So, this is number Next, variance. Variance. Same kind of operation. Variance. Used for finding. Same wording. Used for finding variance. Variance of an array. How to find the variance of an array? I gave you the concept for you. So what is the syntax here? I can write. See here. I can write var, 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 var. Fine. Examples also I will take care. Examples also. Look at that. Rebuild the matrix. Rebuild the matrix. Variance on the entire matrix. Variance on the entire matrix. Variance, comma, axis is equal to 0. Axis is equal to 1. Right? So this is rebuilding and then calculated. Then we will go for this. This is for your practicing purpose. And next we are going for standard deviation. Standard deviation. Standard deviation purpose we are using. So standard deviation I am going to introduce. I hope this is number 5, 6. Okay. So under that we are using to find the standard deviation. Used for finding standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but you know the formula. Square root of variance. Syntax is what? Function name and then syntax. Easy. I will write syntax. STD is a function name. STD is a function name. STD is a function name. STD is the function name. Done. Example, if I go for it. Example, even consecutive example I am building guys. STD on the entire matrix. STD. Yes. STD of B comma axis is equal to B comma axis is equal to 0 is equal to 1. Right? We got that. So we got this point. So we got this type of result. Examples. So these are the very useful examples for minimum. These things are useful things. Are you understanding, guys? Come on, mom. Fine. So it is done. So we'll stop it now. This is the statistical functions of NumPy. NumPy. So these are all comes under NumPy. So what else I covered here, which is very, very important. Tomorrow I will introduce the average also. You can do it, ma. See, ma. Now, see, 1 minute, ma. Sangam. You can write average also. This is average of, what is that? B you say, which is nothing but what? 5.01, which is equal to what? Mean. See, where is that mean? Beginning. Mean. Nothing but average only. Okay, no? Sangam, are you okay? You apply, Milan. These are the statistical functions are very, very important. Shubham, standard deviation formula is SQRT of. I already told you, Nama here. SQRT of here. SQRT of variance. So tomorrow I am going to introduce the pandas. Don't miss the class. So pandas I am going to introduce tomorrow. So don't miss the class. So with this, so we are going to, I said only 3 days this NumPy. I extended for 6 to 7 days. So tomorrow we are going to introduce pandas concept. Okay, don't miss that concept. Very, very important. Right. Yes. Please contact. For screening test is concerned, you please contact the office. For screening test is concerned, everybody contact to office. So I don't have that screening test linked with me. You please contact to office. Right. Thank you. Good day.